Hey everyone, I'm posting this video as a resource for anyone who needs help with revising their learning checkpoint. For the most part, these learning checkpoints were great. Many of you on the first try, you mastered both skills, so you're good to go, you're finished, and you can move on to that writing formative. If you earned a score lower than a 3, you should go back and do a revision. So I've opened up Blackboard so that you can go and resubmit to the same exact assignment that you submitted your first attempt to. So as soon as you've revised, resubmit. The main thing that I've seen in your writing, if you wrote a claim, many of you used the sentence frames that I gave you, and so you're able to write a really clear argumentative claim. If you didn't really do the RL7 part correctly, if you weren't really specific and you didn't draw conclusions, then you probably didn't earn full credit on the claim. The main issue I saw was with this first bullet point, specific evidence. Many of you summarized the differences and the similarities, but you didn't use specific evidence with the time of the video. See how it says right here, detailed description and time of video. If that wasn't there, you didn't earn full credit for RL7. So you'll see either incomplete or a 2, which is a 65, or a 1, which is a 50. So what I want you to do is go back in, and for everything that you wrote down, make sure you have detailed descriptions and time of video. For example, if you wrote that 1 was more aggressive, what does that mean? How did you come up with that conclusion? So aggressive is that's you summarizing. What I'm looking for is, what do the characters say that make them seem aggressive? What were they doing that made them seem aggressive? Those are detailed descriptions. And then the time of video. That way you can go back and access that later. If you have to rewatch them, that's like a 12-minute time commitment. It's not a lot of time, so you should go back and you should redo this part. I want to show you a quick example of a successful one. I don't want you to take this and use this because this is what this person figured out, but look at all those details, and they all have timestamps too. Then this person drew a conclusion about what is this film portraying about feuds and what is this film portraying about feuds. Because this person was able to draw those two different conclusions, then when they wrote the claim, it was really clear and it exactly hit the criteria for mastery. So you should go back and you should have this much detail, and then you should have a claim that is nice and clear and includes a conclusion about the norms for both. If you need help, you need to ask for it. Some of you, it seemed like you didn't really understand the assignment, and if you didn't understand it and you didn't ask questions, then you probably earned incompletes because you just didn't do it right. So if you need help, please reach out. I know we can't video chat or anything like that, but I could show you on a computer screen how to do it. So again, make sure that you record your grades, make sure you're aware of whether or not you earned mastery scores. If you did earn mastery scores, hopefully you didn't watch this whole video because you don't need it. But if you did not earn mastery scores, you should definitely resubmit, because remember, for your writing formative, it's some of the same skills. So if you can't do it here, it's going to be really hard to do it here. So redo this one first so that you know you've got it. And then when you move on to this one and it's more independent, you'll definitely be more successful. Okay, reach out if you have questions. See you guys later.